Hello again to all you budding cartoonists, and welcome back to this series on cartoon drawing fun with puns. Before we start, of course, if you could subscribe if you haven't already done that, that would be fabulous. And also, ring the little bell icon if you want to know what's coming up next. Okay, our fun pun today is a reindeer, or a deer in the rain. Okay, so I'm going to start with the rain. Why not? We need that for our drawing, so I'm going to draw some lines, just like that, dotted lines coming down in the one direction. Imagine the rain pouring down. And of course, to protect our deer, we have an umbrella. It's at a slope, so the little point would be coming up here like that. And then this side of the umbrella, nice big curve out like that. And the other side would curve from about here probably, I think, yeah. And curve up and go in there. And across that part we have the scoop shapes, like that. Right across, in a sort of curve going up towards this point here, like that. And then what you do is you take each point and connect it to there with a nice curve, like that. That would be more or less straight down that one, and that one. There we have our umbrella. And of course, if you carry that line through, you get the handle of the umbrella coming in here, disappearing like that. I'll leave that there at the moment. Our deer is going to be gripping onto that for dear life. Dear life, oh, another pun. Right, okay, right. Start with the deer's head. His hair's a bit wet, coming down there, like that, okay. And then the front of his face coming down to his little nose. There, you can make it a bit shiny by leaving a bit of highlight. And then underneath, he's maybe grimacing slightly. Oh, what a day. Coming back up like that. And then we have his eyes. Nice big eyes there, one there. Another one here. And he's looking up at the rain. Like that. His eyebrows turned up. And his ear, one big ear will come in here. Like that. The other ear about here. Okay. Above that, of course, we have his nice set of antlers. That one would come up and curve up under the umbrella. Like that. This one here would come up with a point there perhaps, and another one curving up there, finishing off with a bigger curve up there. And as you come back down, perhaps you get another bit of the antler coming out there and joining back in there down to his head, a bit more hair there. Okay, and the back of his head coming in behind his ear there. And we're wearing a raincoat, I think, with his collar turned up. So let's get his collar coming in here. Right. The other bit of his collar behind his head there. Maybe a little scarf in there, okay. And his shoulders kind of hunched up against the rain. So you get his arm coming in like that. Coming down, tucked into his pocket of his raincoat. And then the middle part of his raincoat coming down here. And the other side coming down from the lapel there. And as he's hurrying, the tail of his coat is swinging out like that. Okay, we'll put some buttons down the front too. He's gripping the umbrella, so his other hand is going to come up just about here, behind his this line of his coat here. And you'll get, imagine that line's got to continue down, like that, right down there. Right, so if you get his fist, it'll be gripping it there like that. See that? And then the handle of the umbrella will come down and appear in there. All right. And of course he splashes his way through the puddles, so we get his real legs coming out here. And this one coming back the way. And his socks and his shoes kind of sticking out, very simple shapes like that. He's hurrying as he head through the puddles, so let's draw the puddles. These are kind of circle lines here. Like that. Another one here. And of course you could put some droplets splashing up like that with a bit of effect. And we can now carry on with a rain, perhaps coming down like that, beyond the umbrella, to add to our effect, these two. And then perhaps little drips coming off the umbrella itself. Okay, I think I'll just finish off by putting a few more raindrops in for our reindeer. Okay, that's fine. Great, well I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can join me again for another tutorial. But in the meantime, of course, all the best, and happy drawing!